In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the TikTok Pixel on your Shopify store in the easiest and best way possible. Whether you're a Shopify store owner looking to track conversions or you simply want to optimize your ad campaigns for better results, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know without any confusion. First, open your Shopify admin panel and go to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Apps. Click on it. This will take you to the section where you can manage your current apps and explore new ones. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, in the search bar within the Apps section, type TikTok. You'll see the TikTok app for Shopify appear in the results. This app is designed to integrate Shopify and TikTok seamlessly, enabling you to track conversions and better understand your audience. Click on the app to open its page and then hit the Install button. Confirm the installation when prompted. This step is important because it allows the app to run on your store. Once the app is installed, it will open directly on your Shopify dashboard. Here, click to log in with your TikTok account credentials. This is a crucial step as it syncs your TikTok account with Shopify and allows data to flow smoothly between the platforms. To make the process smoother, make sure you're using the TikTok account you want to track and double check that your login information is correct. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent unnecessary issues. After logging in, your TikTok Pixel will be connected to your Shopify store. This means you can now track your customers' journeys from visit to purchase and also use the data to improve your marketing strategies. It's also a good idea to review your TikTok Pixel dashboard periodically to ensure everything is tracking correctly and to make any adjustments if needed. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to install the TikTok Pixel on Shopify easily and start leveraging powerful, data-driven insights to better understand your audience, track conversions accurately, and optimize your ad performance with confidence. Once everything is set up correctly, you'll have the data you need to make smarter decisions and continuously improve your marketing results. Thanks for watching, and I really hope this tutorial helps you create smarter, more effective, and better performing ad campaigns. If this video helped you out, don't forget to share it with someone who might benefit. Why not make their day a little easier and help them get better results too?